to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a productive night routine. First things first, we're gonna take Cody for a walk. And yeah, it's like sunset-ish time right now, so I think it's gonna be really pretty to walk around. So let's go get Cody. Hold on, the lighting looks so weird. Is that better or worse? I think it's better. Cody's barking. Hold on. Hi, Mom.
Yeah?
I said, hi, Mom. How are you?
Alright, so how did your balloon bowls come out?
Oh, I didn't make them yet.
Wait, what? I'm starving.
Really? We got told he's a vicious dog.
What?
Yeah, because he started like barking at another dog. And the guy was like, that's a vicious dog.
Did he? I was saying it laughing. I mean, he weighs
yeah,
6 pounds.
Oh,
you're recording?
Yeah, you're in the fruit basket.
What?
Because I didn't know where else to put it. You're in the fruit. They're in the fruit basket.
But Brittany wants to go out.
I brought her outside today, and then she got in the dirt, so I had to clean her paws.
Again? Stay there. You stay there, Brittany. And I walked out. I'm like, she's gonna take off the little. And then I put her in the box. There she goes. She hides in the box. She doesn't think you can see her. Brittany in a box. Brittany in a box.
Is that a Brittany in a box? So I made dinner for the whole family, so I think it looks really good. And I tried a piece of the beef and it was really good. And then it's just over some white rice and broccoli. You want to num nums? I was just scrolling my phone, but Jade's FaceTiming me. Oh shoot, oh shoot. I think I missed it. Hold on. Cody's trying to get in. I'll let him in a minute.
Hi.
Hi.
Hold on, I can't see. Oh my god, hi.
Hi.
You're so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
So what do you want me to do? I wasn't expecting you to be filming. When I answered my call.
Do you not want me to put that in?
No, you can't. Anyway.
That's like a deal breaker for me.
Okay.
Alright, I love you. Good night.
Have a good night. Bye.
Bye. Starting out by using the Bioderma makeup removing solution, and normally I take it on cotton rounds, but I'm out of cotton rounds, so I'm just using some cotton balls. Also, I put this random spa music on that I found on YouTube. I'm using the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Then I'm using the niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. I feel like my skin has been the best it has been in a while because of the products I'm using. I have been thankful for my skin. It's actually pretty bad today compared to how it's been, but I am getting over my period, so I understand you. Then I'm applying Matcha, the Silk Peony, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. My skin is pretty normal. It used to be more oily, but now in my like adult life, it's been more normal. And then the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. Literally smells like a cupcake on your lips. So good. That's pretty much it for my skincare routine. I just lotioned up my body and it smells really good. Now we are going to move on to the hair. I'm running really low on my It's a 10 spray, but I swear by this stuff. I've literally been using this for so many years. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. I feel like we gotta like put some back in. Oh, I'm making a mess. I got this journal from Amazon, so if you're interested, I'll have it linked on my Amazon storefront, but I just think it's the cutest thing ever. It's literally adorable. And this is the book I'm currently reading, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I'm only in the beginning, but I'm really excited to read the rest of it. So I'm gonna do a little journal prompt, and then I'm gonna read a little bit. When I journal, I just kind of will either write whatever I'm feeling, or I will actually look up a journal prompt and follow that. So I think I'm feeling that tonight. I feel like the journal prompts, when I have like an actual prompt, I feel like the writing goes smoother and better. Honestly guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna head to bed, but the last step of my night routine that I literally do every night, I've basically done this every night for the past like 6 years. I look up sleeping meditation, and there's this one video that I've been watching for like 6 years, and this is the thumbnail of it in case you want to go look it up for yourself. It's this one. Jason Stevenson, he's the homie.
A guided meditation for sleep, to take their own journeys for a while
and join you again
in the morning. Here you are safe, you are warm,
you are quiet.
Literally
Love this meditation. I don't really know what happens after the first like 10 minutes because I always fall asleep, but I forget if I said bye. I don't think I did. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.